Hello everyone. Today I will show you the upload file in Google Drive, share a folder in Google Drive so that you can manage it easily. Let's first log in over here. After completing the login process, uh, here we can see there is a menu, Google Apps. Here we go to the drive. In the left side menu, we will go to the My Drive. So this is kind of my computer. We open a my computer, C drive, D drive, E drive. We enter into the D drive. There will be fla files. Same pattern is displayed over here. Let's upload a file first. Right click, file upload, or select any file like ChatGPT image. At the right bottom, it will display the progress. Once it completed, it will have the green tick. So here is my image. Instantly, it will display the image. Right. Now, let's create a folder for this. Uh, right click. We will do a right click, then new folder. Give it a name like share or something. So there is a folder we can see. Just go to it. There is nothing. Here also you can right click, you can do the right click and file upload or folder upload. Also, you can do the drag and drop operation. I will show you. So this ChatGPT image is now available in the share folder. To share this folder, we can go to the name over there. Uh, there is a drop down arrow where you can see share option. You can share to a Gmail account so that they can access this file. Like I will share to JAY1991 with a message. Please find the share folder. If required, happy to help if required. Send. This will send the email to the particular recipient so that he can access only this folder on your Google Drive. Now, also there is another option in share. You can copy this link and send it using WhatsApp or Gmail or anything else. With that, you have to give permission for like view, edit, and other things. View, edit, and write. There are three permissions. So by this, you can upload a file, share it to the anyone who is having the Gmail account or Google account. So this is the uh, overall video regarding share and upload a file, share a folder and upload a file to the Google Drive. Thank you.